See? Uwi kayo bukas ha. Ganyan kahirap yung race dito sa New Zealand kasi molting time. Molt yung mga ibon, nagre-race kami ng young bird. Yan, ewan ko lang sa Pilipinas o sa ibang bansa. Pero dito napakahirap ng young bird season kasi molting talaga sila. Nakita nyo naman, kalbo-kalbo yung leeg. One of my import on my team, bred by Roger Smith. See that? Let's see. So yan mga kalapatids, nakita nyo na naman yung pagmumukha ni Uno. Yan. Saan tayo pupunta kay Uno? Isab. Saan tayo pupunta kay Uno? Isab, nakita nyo na naman yung pagmumukha ko. Saan tayo pupunta kay Uno? Saan? Saan? Kalapatids. Yan. So, punta kami sa club namin at ibabasket natin tong ilang ibon ba to? Parang 5 ibon yata yung nasa training box natin. At isasama natin sa club training. Yan, mga 70 km away sa loob natin. At bukas ang release, pero hindi na natin makikita yung pagdating nila kasi nga may trabaho rin tayo. But anyway, ang mahalaga makasama lang tayo sa club training. Ano lang naman ba? Ano lang pacham. Alright, sasamahan niyo ako today. Grabe haba na ng samahan niyo ako today. Let's go. Ayan, no? Napakaganda ng panahon, pero bukas maganda pa rin naman. And yung wind ng ano natin is tail wind. Yan. Sa may wata-wata lang naman kasi i-release mga lodi. So tingnan na natin kung makauwi yung ibon natin dahil hindi naman tayo lagi nagtotos. Ang last toss natin itong yesterday. Yan, nagtos tayo ng mga around 30 km. So tingnan na natin, hopefully makauwi sila. Hindi naman tayo masyadong into it sa race na to. Parang ano lang naman, katuwaan lang. Ano yan? Ha? Sham? Anong sham?
Get it now.
Okay. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa club. Ayun na yung club namin, no? Ayun. Ayun na yung trailer truck. Ayan. So, salamat pala kay Dragon Este Sexy Tari. Pinag-drive tayo mga lodi. Ayan. Alright. Mainit. Ganun din. Italikod mo pa ganun. Ayan na sila. Doon mo ganun mo doon, May. Doon pa ganun mo. Para naka ano.
Si Isab nga.
Ayan, para nakikita niyo. Sige, ganun mo doon. Arang mo doon pa ganun. Pata ganun. Iharap mo sa harapan ni sasakyan niya, ano. Alright. Ayun na si Boss Roger saka si Boss Denver. Ang magagaling na flyer ng New Zealand. Number 1 fan. Ay, si Pan. Kita kami. One of my import on my team, bred by Roger Smith. See that? Let's see. Hopefully I can see you tomorrow, right? When you see the tail. First class natin. So 7 birds, Roger, right?
He said to me 4. This is like almost double. You could have just add 1 more. 8.
That's alright. I can double next weekend. Ha? Hopefully makauwi sila bukas.
Only 1 crate pala.
Yeah, they do.
Ito molt na molt to. May leeg oh. Ganito yung ganyang kahirap yung race dito sa New Zealand.
Yeah.
Molting.
That's the beginning of the year.
Ito yung breed ni Brains Lot yun. Ayan. Alright. Bayad tayo, $10. How much, Roger? I got $10.
You got $10, okay.
See? Uwi kayo bukas ha. Ganyan kahirap yung race dito sa New Zealand kasi molting time. Molt yung mga ibon, nagre-race kami ng young bird. Yan. Ewan ko lang sa Pilipinas o sa ibang bansa. Pero dito napakahirap ng young bird season kasi molting talaga sila. Nakita nyo naman, kalbo-kalbo yung leeg.
Okay, so that's another one run together. 5, 6 run together.
That's your one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, maybe hop on.
There's any new guy do the training?
No, not yet. Everybody is behind on training this season. Hopefully Sunday we'll have a lot more.
But did you toss on somewhere on a Manukau something or on your where did you toss already?
No, I've been down to Onehunga.
Onehunga.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's fine. For me that's like 40 km.
I did a toss yesterday on Manukau.
Yeah, no, you're
And then
fine. No, the birds will come.
That's only 7. Shit. You see the yellow one? You know what, Roger? That's a first toss yesterday on Manukau.
Whoa.
And then he came back, but I got I got old and never came back.
You need to toss them better than that, pal. You're gonna lose the birds. Huh?
Yeah.
When they're babies like us, you gotta toss them. Old birds, you can chuck them.
Yeah, I know.
Young birds, you gotta look after them.
Okay, Denver, thank you.
See you, see you.
See you.
I've had about 12 tosses.
Puta rin, nagbablog ako. So pagka training, ganyan pa lang. Pero pagka race na, track na mga lodi. Yan, club training. Pero may mga magsasakay pa dyan, mga ibang club sa buong Auckland. Alright. Ayan mga lodi, pahabol ko lang. Shout out pala kay JD Kasin ng Bulabog Loop from Cavite. Yan, shout out. Bye.